us about certain strategies related to sleep hygiene. So Dr. Sagar, welcome to this talk series. And now you please help us to understand what is sleep hygiene and insomnia.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a
Dr.
lot for
Sagar.
having me. Yeah, and thanks a lot for the very nice introduction. I would like to welcome all the participants for being here. Thanks a lot, and you all are welcome. First of all, I would want that this talk should not be like a very boring and routine one, because अभी बहुत सारे webinars हो रहे हैं. So I would like this to be a bit more interactive, है ना? And also welcome to the 6th day of weekend this week, because it is lockdown. Every day is a damn weekend, right? So first of all, I would like to start with a small experience I have just had. ये कोरोना वायरस का लॉकडाउन और ये सब होने से जस्ट पहले आई वेंट आउट विद माय वाइफ फॉर बाइंग फ्रूट्स. ठीक है, वहां पे हम बोल रहे थे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और ऐसी कुछ कुछ बातें कर रहे थे. एंड द थिंग इज दैट ही वाज अ फ्रूट सेलर, राइट? सो उनसे बात हुई कि आप ये सब मानते? ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं नहीं, ये कुछ नहीं होता, कोरोना तो अफवाह है. Can you believe it? He said corona अफवाह है. Okay, so going on the same terms, whenever I utter the word mental health, right, a lot of people are like कि अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, mental illness, ये वो depression, anxiety, ये सब तो अफवाह है. So वो सब्जी वाला है, ठीक है, फ्रूट सब्जी वाला, वो ऐसी बातें कर रहे, तो ठीक है. अपने आगे IIT ग्रेजुएट्स, MBAs, वो लोग ऐसी बातें करते हैं, तो इट इज लाइक वो अभी जो मीम चल रहा है ना, इंडिया पाकिस्तान वाला, मारो मारो मुझे मारो, वो वैसी फीलिंग आती है मुझे. सो एवरी वन ऑफ अस हैव अ माइंड, राइट? सो मेंटल हेल्थ इज समथिंग वेरी नॉर्मल. एवरीवन शुड टॉक अबाउट इट. एंड नाउ आई वुड गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कि इसमें जो मेंटल इलनेसेस और या जो भी, मतलब अभी कोरोना वायरस के कारण पीपल आर गेटिंग इरिटेटेड, दे आर गेटिंग इनसोम्निया, ये कौन ठीक करता है? आई थिंक कैन बी म्यूट अदर पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
ये श्रुति है ना?
Requesting you to please shut down your audio. Let the speakers share their expertise with everyone without distractions. Thank you.
I 10,000 million.
Can the host mute?
Sorry, Sagar. Mr. Bandesh, can you please mute your volume?
The host can mute everyone. The host can mute everyone too.
Mute everyone and then unmute Sakri and
Yeah, host can unmute everyone.
There's a lot of distractions happening. Participants, please mute your volume.
Shruti, you can mute everyone and then unmute all three of you. You have the option to mute every participant.
Then if I mute everybody, you won't be able to.
Then you can unmute.
We can unmute from here. Don't worry.
Unmute selected people, and Sagar also can.
Okay. Okay. So let me try.
Sagar, continue. Sagar, start your explanation. Sagar?
Okay, yeah. Okay. So, I was saying, अब अपन एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Sagar, we hear
yeah.
you.
Okay. If I take an example that by chance if there is an electric fire somewhere, ओके, कहीं पे आग लग गई है बट इलेक्ट्रिक शॉर्ट सर्किट के कारण आग लगी है, ऐसा अपन बहुत बार पढ़ते हैं, ऐसा होता है। तो उसमें दो चीजें होती हैं, ठीक है। एक तो जो शॉर्ट सर्किट के कारण जो आग लगती है, आपको उसको बुझाना है इमीडिएटली, ठीक है। और सेकेंड एंड द मोर टीडियस एंड क्रॉनिक पार्ट इज, आपको पता करना है कि कहाँ आग लगी और वायरिंग में कहाँ दिक्कत थी, वायरिंग की क्वालिटी कैसी थी, क्या था, है ना। अब आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि मैं इंसोम्निया, नींद ना आने से लेकर इलेक्ट्रिक वायरिंग पे कैसे आ गया। आई विल गेट टू इट। इसमें ऐसा है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ समवन इज हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम, है ना, इफ समवन इज हैविंग अ अक्यूट प्रॉब्लम, अभी अभी आग ही लगी है, तो सबसे पहले तो आपको आग बुझानी है, आप वायरिंग तो देखोगे नहीं, ठीक है। दैट इज द टाइम you go, if you have some kind of acute problems, you go consult a psychiatrist, right? जो ये होता है ना कि साइकियाट्रिस्ट को कब दिखाना है, योगा मेडिटेशन कब करना है, वहां आग लगी है तो आप तार नहीं निकालने बैठ जाते। जैसे बहुत लोगों को कुछ इलनेसेस डिटेक्ट होती है तो दे फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट डे स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस अनुलोम विलोम, वेरी गुड थिंग, बट आपको अक्यूट प्रॉब्लम है तो वो ठीक नहीं करेगा। धीरे धीरे आप उस वायरिंग को ठीक कीजिए, और है ना, योगा मेडिटेशन इज अ स्लो प्रोसेस, it is a very slow process, but it is definitely effective. So today's topic I'm having is insomnia. Insomnia is basically नींद ना आना, किसी भी कारण से नींद ना आना। And now I will talk about, there is a vicious cycle of mental illnesses and lack of sleep. अगर किसी को नींद नहीं आ रही है तो ऐसी बहुत पॉसिबिलिटीज है कि वो नेक्स्ट डे इरिटेबल हो, उसके इमोशनल आउटबर्स्ट हो, एंजाइटी, पैनिक अटैक्स, ये सब उसको होने लगे। पहले हो सकता है कि उसको ना हो, बट previously the person may have not been having that problem, but due to lack of sleep it is precipitated some new kind of illness, okay. और दूसरी चीज है secondary, if a person is already suffering from anxiety, panic disorders, depression, and if they are not getting enough sleep, so these may be exacerbated. ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स किसी को पहले से हो, नींद की कमी से ये सब बढ़ सकती है, ठीक है। नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको ये सब प्रॉब्लम है, यू आर हैविंग दिस acute problem, you are not getting sleep, okay. If you are having this problem since like 4 days, 5 days, a week, you are very much at the risk of a mental breakdown. आपके मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन होने का चांस बहुत बढ़ सकता है। तो उस टाइम पे उस सिचुएशन को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए, फॉर रिजॉल्विंग दैट सिचुएशन acutely, you should consult a psychiatrist. Lot of people, what they do due to the stigma, they go to people of other specialty, or they go to Vaidya, Baba. उससे दिक्कत ये होती है, प्रॉब्लम विद दैट इज, जैसे I gave you the example earlier, electric fire. So a psychiatrist would know that if it is an electric fire, you have to put, you don't put water on it. उस पे रेत डाली जाती है उसको बुझाने के लिए, but the other specialty person if he is a brilliant, he may know, but mostly sent to us, okay. If someone has started developing these symptoms, what can they do? Okay, it is initial for them. First of all, I would suggest a thing known as universal sleep hygiene for them, okay. There is a set of do's and don'ts, and this is called universal sleep hygiene. You can even Google it, आप Google भी कर सकते हो उसको. It is mostly based on common sense, right?
True, true.
Can everyone see?
We can see you, Sagar.
Okay.
I can't see Sagar on screen. I can't see.
You will have to scroll through the photos, I think.
Okay, no problem. So we'll talk about universal sleep hygiene, the do's and don'ts.
Deepal,
It is mostly
go to the
based on
grid
common
view.
sense. So I would give you a few tips what you can do is not sleep a lot in the afternoon, not take constant naps. There are a lot of people who are suffering from insomnia. उनसे पूछो आप दिन में कितना सोचो, they are like कि दिन में we sleep for 3 to 4 hours. So it is very obvious you won't get sleep in the night. Okay. Then avoid all stimulants at the night. By stimulants, I mean coffee, tea, cigarette. Also, avoid alcohol for sleeping. A lot of people take alcohol like they're like नींद नहीं आती, तो alcohol से they get sleep, but it disturbs your rhythm of sleep. There are various stages of sleep. Alcohol disturbs that, so you should not take it. And what you before sleeping, 2 to 3 hours before, you should, if you are taking a heavy meal, it should be done 2 to 3 hours before. सोने से पहले भारी नहीं खाना है, सोने के जस्ट पहले. Otherwise, very again, it is a common sense thing, and there should be no heavy workout just before sleeping. A lot of people think कि if we'll work out a lot, अपने आप को थका देंगे, तो we'll get to sleep, but it is counterproductive because it produces other kind of enzymes which makes us alert. Exercise, so you will be awake the whole night if you do that. Okay, so these are some points. For all in-depth and all detailed points, you can even search it on the net, like what you're doing. You also fix a specific time to sleep, a specific time to get up. Room where you sleep should not have sound, should not have a lot of light. And one more thing, the last thing I would cover in universal sleep hygiene is that a lot of people, what they do is they're glued onto their mobile screens, or they watch television in the night, और कोरोना वायरस की न्यूज़ देखने बैठ जाते, रात में कितने केसेस हो गए, पता नहीं क्या होगा, बचेंगे नहीं बचेंगे. So that, or they will start looking at the time, 1 बज गए नींद नहीं आई, 2 बज गए नींद नहीं आई. So you should avoid all that. Do not look at the clock if you cannot sleep. Okay, and avoid all kinds of reading or screen time. It will tire only your eyes, and you won't get sleep. And now at the end, I would like to cover some special techniques which I would which I've prepared for this. The first technique would be a very common and basic technique, which is known as breathing awareness. Whenever you don't get sleep, whenever you have a lot of thoughts rushing in your mind, whenever you have anxiety or mild panic attacks, obviously you will need medications, but along with it, it's your health. You also have to take some input. डॉक्टर और दवाइयों से आप पूरे ठीक नहीं हो जाने हो. ऐसा नहीं कि डॉक्टर ने कर दिया वही जाने, आपकी हेल्थ है ना, आपको भी उसमें अपना पूरा इनपुट देना है. So there are some things you should do. आपको अपना रूटीन और लाइफस्टाइल सुधारना है. And here I am giving you a technique. अगर सब कर पाए, people can do it with me. I would do it in both Hindi and English. It would be pretty much awesome. It is known as breathing awareness, or also known as Anapanasati Yoga in Buddhism, and it is first technique of meditation in Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. It is a very easy and basic thing to do, and so everyone, I would like them to, if they are wearing their specs, if they can remove it, it would be awesome.
Sagar, can you make us all practice this wonderful technique? It will give us an experience on, how to perform it in real life as well, like out of the seminar.
Okay. The thing is that if in the night you are tossing and turning, you cannot sleep, you do this technique. If there is some event precipitating a lot of anxiety in you, you've heard some bad news or something like that, you're getting a lot of thoughts in your mind, you practice that technique at that particular time for 10 to 15 minutes. Obviously it won't make things 100% normal, but it will make you equipoised. आपका दिमाग शांत कर देगा वो थोड़ा सा. So that is a big plus. That is a very big plus.
So Sagar, can you show us that technique?
Okay, it's a very simple thing. If people want, they can do it with me. What the basic is, like you before starting it, you remove your specs, remove your shoes and belt. Be in a very relaxed position. You don't need to lie down. Okay, you just keep sitting. And the thing is that you just have to focus on your breath. While breathing in, you have to focus that your stomach is coming out.
So let me
As
be
you
a
breathe-
volunteer. If anyone wants to be a volunteer, they can always volunteer here as well. This is that kind of forum. So what Sagar is saying, Sagar, continue how you want me to be aware of my breath, and I'll do it so that people can people see me clearly.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Well, Shruti.
Let me do it, and I will try. I'm actually sitting up, but I will try my best as to how it's done. Okay, Sagar, you can please start.
Okay. As you breathe in, you will notice that your abdomen and stomach is going out.
Yes.
As you breathe out, you will notice that your stomach and abdomen is going in.
Yes.
Bring your awareness to these movements of your abdomen and stomach with every consecutive breath.
Okay.
You will find that your body will relax as and as you breathe out. हर बाहर जाती सांस के साथ शरीर ढीला और रिलैक्स होता जाएगा. When you do this, you may have a lot of thoughts in your mind. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपके दिमाग में बहुत से विचार आने लगे. But think of your mind as a clear blue sky where birds flow in and out without leaving any traces. अपने मन को उस आकाश की तरह सोचें जहाँ पक्षी आते हैं और चले जाते हैं. वैसे ही विचार आते हैं और चले जाते हैं. Breathe in and breathe out and relax. Okay, so this is a very short demonstration of what breathing
Well
awareness
done,
is,
Sagar.
and
Well
you
done.
can continue it for 10 to 15 minutes, or at least you can practice it for 5 minutes a day, or whenever such situation arises or you can't sleep, or like, this is a beautiful technique, very easy. I think everyone should know it, everyone should do it.
Yeah.
And I just have one more technique which I found in my reading. It's actually a secret Tibetan technique for insomnia. It's very easy. Like we see in movies, अपन movies में बहुत बार देखते हैं कि there is a rewind button and then things start going in reverse. कि पीछे क्या क्या चल रहा था. It starts going that way. Okay, so here also what you have to do is you have to lie down, and normally if people tell you to think what you did in your day, you start from the morning. I don't want that. I want you to start from the night. What you were doing minutes ago, then go to your dinner, then go to the evening, then go to the afternoon and morning. So you just keep doing that. You will be asleep no time. All right. And this is also a method for increasing your awareness in sleep. So if anyone can keep doing it, they will have a lot more, much more benefits than what I have mentioned. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sagar, I want to interrupt you. There is a one question from one little teenage girl. she's asking that she's unable to sleep. She's able to sleep at 9 o'clock, but she wakes up at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the night. So what should we do to go for sleep again? Which technique
Okay.
will help her? This Tibetan technique or breath work?
She can do anyone which she likes, first of all. And the thing is, even if after doing all these techniques, she should review what her routine is. I would advise her to go through universal sleep hygiene and see if she is making any mistakes, if she is glued on her mobile or TV at the night, and if she has a specific time for sleeping and waking up. Does she work out, and things like that? Like, she can go through it, then try these techniques. Okay, and even if then it doesn't help, then actually sleep disorder, I didn't want to get in depth, but a question has been asked. So there are two kinds of sleep disorders. One is initiation and second is maintenance. Initiation is when you can't go to sleep in the first place, and but she's having a sleep maintenance problem. Like, she gets sleep but she wakes up. So if she's having this problem again and again, her routine is awesome, she practices such things, even if that then it doesn't help, she should definitely consult someone, whoever she trusts, or consult a psychiatrist for sleep disorders.
Okay. Yeah. So Sagar, that's it. Your part is over. Matlab, your
That is
explanation
it
is
from
over
my
about
side. Yeah.
sleep.